Let's begin by downloading the Mechanisms app. This can be done by searching for Mechanisms in the Android Google Play Store or the iOS App Store. Once you have downloaded the app, open it and sign in by tapping the button in the upper right-hand corner. If you don't already have an account, create an account using your school email, desired password, and your first name and last name. Then tap Create Account. Once you have created your account, you will receive a message asking you to verify your email address. Tap on Send Verification Email, then tap OK and navigate to your email to verify your email address. Next, tap on the gear icon in the upper left corner of the home screen. Enter your course code and tap OK. The first 50 puzzles and mechanisms are free. There are 10 for each of the first 5 sections in the Essentials pack. To purchase full access to all 260 puzzles, tap on a lock or on the shopping cart on the main menu. From here, you can purchase full access from the Google Play Store or App Store. This will unlock all of the puzzles.